with regard to MSMEs. We know that MSMEs is a very important sector, and that significance of MSME sector has been dealt by our Satyanarayana sir, okay, in his in his beginning of his lectures, with regard to its contribution to GDP, its contribution to the manufacturing sector, and then its contribution to exports, okay, exports of from our country, and then contribution to job creation. All these things, MSMEs are very significant in our aspects, and there are several reforms that are taking place in MSME sector. In that fashion, there is one more program that is running. That is what I'm trying to cover it here. Okay, it has come in PIB, Press Information Bureau, a few days back, and raising and accelerating MSME performance program. Okay, it is actually program supported by World Bank. That means it is even more important. No, this program is receiving international attention, means it is even more important for us to take note of. And World Bank has approved that it is trying to instill some $500 million US dollars into this program. And it is not the World Bank's first intervention, World Bank's first support to this program, but previously the World Bank has also supported some 750 million US dollars to this MSME emergency response program. Okay, due to the pandemic, that response program has been taken up by World Bank. And then what are the points with regard to this particular scheme? The program is actually targeting to improve the performance of almost 5.5 lakh MSMEs. Okay, it is a huge number that they are targeting. Okay, and it is expected that it is trying through this program, they are going to mobilize 15.5 billion US dollars, okay, as a part of government's USD 3.4 billion MSME competitiveness post-COVID resilience recovery program. Okay, that means this program is particularly designed in order to help MSMEs to cope up with this pandemic situation. Okay, understand, that is the crux of it. Okay, pandemic situation, the MSMEs are facing several problems with lack of work, lack of labor, lack of finance, okay, lack of operating finance, okay, all these things. In order to support that MSMEs at almost 5.5 lakh MSMEs are going to be supported through this particular initiative. Okay, and it will provide better access to finance. That is what I was telling, working capital or operational capital, and then strengthening the financing markets. Okay, it will also scale up online dispute resolution mechanism to address the problems of delayed payments. Okay, though many of the MSMEs are participating here, they need require immediate support of finance and everything, right? If there are any delays that the government is unable to provide any kind of, some government officials or government officers might be delaying in dispersing this financial support, right? They can, if they are delaying, this resolution mechanism is also provided in this program. In the two way, they are going to resolve, they are trying to tackle the financial problems that MSMEs are facing, especially during the pandemic period. Okay, that is from my side today.